Thank you, sir. Thank you for allowing me that much time. And let's just start from it. I'm Mamun. My ID is 180309, and the topic I selected for my thesis on self prediction, a comparative analysis of regression algorithm, and we are supervised by our sir, Professor Mamun. The topic will be covered introduction, of course, motivation, and that is the best thing of this slide right now. I will talk about it. Literacy review, data set description.
Proposal stage.
Okay, thank you. I will just skip the introduction part because motivation will cover it all. This is the main thing that I want to just impose. Two concepts that has profound impact on my life. One is understanding how sales works and how value system works. Whatever we do, this world is working on based on values. Whatever we do, whatever we buy from any store, we're giving them money as a value. In exchange, they're giving us some product. That is exchange of values. The doctor is, of course, giving us his service and skills from a value, and we're getting value, our cure, right? Wherever you look at the world, you will find this exchange of values. And while there is value, there is sales included. Even this presentation itself is a kind of sales. My appearance right now, of course, I'm selling the impression of myself. I'm talking to my friend. Maybe I'm selling this, my idea, my point of view. It's all about sales. And from the early stage of my life, I got interested on entrepreneurship space and decided to start a business to get financial freedom, of course. And in business, okay, I started a couple of YouTube channels a couple of years ago, and those are pretty successful. And then I started our selling website, and then we found a vacuum and a gap that suits us. Like, we have a YouTube channel, we can promote other people's product. So why not? We have our own e-commerce website. We can sell our own product by ourselves. And that's the thing. Then I got involved in e-commerce business, and where I found business is nothing but a series of decisions. While doing the business, I got some problem like minimizing the time. Being a student, I'm a full-time student in RUET. At the same time, maintaining a lot of business. That takes a lot of time. So it's not possible for me to do it. So I have to take some alternative steps for that. Fortunately enough, our sir took a beautiful course in previous semester, which is on information and system designs, where I learned something very profound: how to create a system and how to autopilot any business. And the main objective was save my time and make the system autopilot. And then, of course, the main thing come into play is the decision-making system. A business is nothing but selling your good. It's all about sales. The more sales we make, the more money we get. The more money we get, the more influence we get to grow the business. We have some other employees involved. Maybe we're introducing some good user experience and investing on marketing. This is what business is all about. The sales is very important, right? So, of course, manual labor for understanding what will be our future sales is not worth it. It takes a lot of time and a lot of energy. While we are going to have a lot of data, so we are smart enough to understand what are the current trend of technology, machine learning. So we leverage the idea of machine learning to predict our sales based on our stored previous data. And then we started using some of the beautiful algorithms like linear regression to predict the sales at the same time, random forest exposure, and so on and so forth. And I found some of the literature. I haven't exactly learned everything from one or two. I just read through a whole bunch of literatures, and I learned a lot of things from them. Especially the profound impact that has on me self-prediction using machine learning algorithm, which emphasizes that for predicting sales kind of thing, random forest works best, and some of the same linear regression also works best and exposure. That's why I choose 3 algorithms to make whole thing work together. Okay, thank you, ma'am. My dataset was from a website Lazada's, and the dataset called Lazada Sales dataset, and the features was 8 stored 10 sales, and there was instances of 91,000, which is huge, I think. And the methodology was very simple. I take the data, I process it, I select the features, and then I split it into training and test 80-20. And then, of course, 3 algorithms I'm just working on right now on linear regression. And in next time when I'll be doing this work, it was and random forest. Best algorithm. And then again, we can aggregate all together to get better results. And my implementation was, of course, language Python and SQLite for the model, scikit-learn for the model, machine learning model, and TensorFlow for long short-term memory. And the result was, of course, I said previously. Okay, thank you, ma'am. These are the experimental results, and this is the result, final result. That was kind of accuracy. You can see that the future work will be pushed and random forest, including our aggregating them. And that's the reference I can put it. Thank you so much for that. I can end that now. On it 23009.
So, Abdullah Mamun, first of all, let's prediction the comparative analysis of regression algorithms. So, how many regression algorithms have you gone through?
Learned a lot, but three algorithm I thought that would be best for that. I think that's a great question, and that was the main driving force for my part.
We are basically main target of ours was.
Okay, I didn't know that. I thought I apologize for that.
And also implementation and also experimental results.
Any other questions, sir, from you?
No.
Okay, thank you.